Everybody, welcome to another edition of Jame's Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam, and I just have a couple of things to open for you today. I finally ran out of my blind boxes, so I don't have any more of those. But I had these two items. The first one I got was gifted to me, and this is from a Canadian-based company. They make purse charms and accessories called Ferial Rose. It's like F like Frank, E-R-I-A-L Rose. And what I got, I'll show you, you can get what I'm going to show you in either silver or gold. They have a shop on Amazon, and I got the gold. They just asked if they could send me one, and I said yes. So it came in the packaging that, packaged
in a package.
In a package. It's got padding, so that part's good. That's not so bad. Like I said, they're on Amazon. I don't have any affiliate codes or anything like that for them. They just reached out to me, said, "Would you like one of our charms to use or look at?" And I'm like, "Sure." So they didn't ask me what color, otherwise we know I probably would have picked silver.
Is it a charm or just a chain?
It's like a chain. It says Ferial Rose honors the forever bond of mothers and daughters built on love and roots. Our brand celebrates strong family ties. We'd love to hear your feedback on Amazon. So this is a 22-inch chain. And again, this comes in silver or gold on the website. And I had it written down. I think it's $21.99 is the typical price on this. I'm just going to try to open it up here. It's not opening. It should open up. It looks like it's just kind of sticky sealed on there, but it's not working, so I'm going to use this. Okay, so not only is it in their packaging, but it's in an additional package.
At least they practice safe
packaging.
Yeah.
Okay, this is nice. It's pretty substantial. There's no way this is filled, like that it's solid. I think this is more like this is solid, but these feel like they're like maybe got some hollowness to them. Although they have to, or they must be made of something other than metal and only metal plated, because this is super light. But it sounds really good.
Yeah, and so like it's plastic coated metal?
Like almost like that, yeah, because of how light it is. I could be wrong.
Might be adamantium.
Right, because, they just, they asked if I wanted one, and I said, sure. I'm trying to think of, let me just put it on something here. Let's do this. Assuming this reaches here. So, just gonna put it on my swan bag. Okay, if I can figure out how the clips work. There they go. Okay, so it just clips on there. And does this have a clip on? Yeah, okay. So, okay, yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm just getting into bag chains now and stuff, so what I really like is look at how it lies flat against the bag. I think that looks really sharp. So, that's really cool. In fact, I think I might leave that on here. Even though I already have this on there and this on there. I think that looks kind of cool.
Just add a couple eyes and you got a face.
Oh, stop it. So, I got that. So, I just wanted to show you guys. And again, that was gifted. They just asked me if I would like to try it. And then if I liked it, to show it. And I like it, so I showed it. And then this came because I had... Macy's cashed spent. And so I ended up spending it on a couple things, and then I think this was from Macy's. Oh my gosh, this is terrible. I don't know it.
That's terrible when you get so much stuff you don't know where it's from.
Is it the one?
Yeah, it actually is.
Okay, so let's see what this says. So I can tell you more, like, what brand. Okay. Oh, okay, yes. This is from Macy's. And I did purchase, let's see, I got my Macy's receipt here.
She doesn't know what she purchased, so she's got to read it.
No, I know what it is. But I wanted to see if it says what I did. Okay. No, it doesn't. Anyways, I had Macy's cash to spend, so I got this, and I didn't know they had items from this company, and you'll recognize it when I tell you what it is. But this is from American Leather Company again, because I got this that definitely needs to be stuffed from them. This may be my next bag for the next week.
I'm busy that week then.
Stop it. I just really like their leather. So I didn't know Macy's had some stuff from there.
Why don't you use that one the week I'm gone?
They do. So I decided to pick this up with my little Macy's cash. I do have a garbage can over there, just so you guys know I'm not just
whatever
tossing this on the ground. So it came, in a nice padded package with wrapping in it, and it's just this little kind of like wallet or pochette. So this is black. Oh, it smells really good. This is black leather. The branding on it's right there, the American Leather Company. They give you a little sample of the leather here on the back side.
What is that for?
I don't know why companies do that.
Here's our thing, and we're gonna give you an extra piece just so you know what it looks like and feels like.
And then it's got a zipper compartment that has like a fabric inside of it for change or whatever you want to use it for. And then the back side has slots. 1, 2, 4, 5 for cards or whatever you'd want to put in there. But we know I like my little pochettes to generally keep my change in and or now press pennies. So when I saw this and saw it was from them, I'm like, I'm going to get this. I want to see how I like the little pochette. It smells so good. I'm like...
That's me.
The pink one, I mean, it smelled like leather, but this I just keep... Maybe it's because I'm waving it in front of my nose, but... Or maybe it's because this is on here, but it really smells good. And the leather's just so...
Supple?
Yeah, supple. You like that word. It's, I really like it. I really like it a lot. So, I thought this was really, really neat. This is going to be another one I can use kind of like my, Dooney and Burke ones where I can put change in here and then like my health cards over here. And it serves I'm petting it again. I realize that now. I'm like...
You waiting for it to purr? It's like
no,
purr if you keep petting?
There's something about this leather. It's kind of like when I got the suede tabby. I'm a very tactile person. I've said this already. We know this about me. But every once in a while, something will get me where it's just like, oh, yeah.
We need to look away.
And this leather is just...
Okay, next.
There's lots of good leathers, but this just feels really, really good. It's kind of like a really worn men's wallet, like men's black wallet. You should know what that's like. I know you don't use one anymore, but it's just, it's nice. It's nice. So that's what I got, but yeah, don't sleep on them. What's the price saying here? I know I didn't pay that price. It's got $45 on it was the original price. I know I didn't pay that. But yeah, American Leather, I've been really, really impressed with them. I really like my Kiss Lock bag from them. They've been having a lot of sales, and so I've been looking at their website, but this again I got off of Macy's. Yeah, don't sleep on them. I really like, so far, I've really liked the two things I've gotten from them. And I really like it when you buy something and it smells, and it's supposed to be leather and it smells like leather. It doesn't have any, what does Winnie say, hydroxyfoo smell? Nothing weird smelling. It just smells like Nice, good,
Does it smell like Teen Spirit?
soft leather. No.
Okay.
So that's actually all I have for you today. I really appreciate you stopping by and watching this. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays in regards to both luxury and contemporary handbags and small leather goods. Occasionally other stuff that is my jam. On Mondays, I do bag swap videos where I swap from my current bag, go into my next bag, switch out all my small leather goods, give you a little bit of information about them. I do occasionally put up videos on Thursdays. If a video shows up on a Thursday, though, it's going to be a book-related video. I'm going to do a book haul, go over what I've been reading, what I want to read. It'll have something to do with books. You can find me over on Instagram. If you haven't found me there already, then I'm at James Jam there too. It's just JAME _S_Jam. And there, if you want to see like how I style the bags, which isn't very often, or how they look on me or my body frame, that's where I'll put pictures over there. I think that's everything for today. So, and I realize I have gum in my mouth right now the whole time I've been talking. So sorry, but
Life happens.
It's what I do. So, okay. I think that's everything. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. And please do unto others as you would have them do unto you.